How to carry luggage on top of your car. It can be a little frustrating when you don't have the space in your vehicle for all of your bags. Luckily, you can haul your luggage with the extra space you have on your roof. As long as you secure your things properly, you can take them on any long drive. We'll walk you through all the different options you can use on your roof and how to make sure you and your things stay safe while you're on the road. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide clear explanations of car-related issues and essential components. We share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Keep watching to learn how to carry luggage on top of your car. Choosing a storage option. Loop straps through your vehicle doors for a cheap but less secure alternative. Tying your things directly to your vehicle can help you save money if you're in a hurry. You can use ratchet straps for the most security or rope with a trucker's hitch knot. Open your car doors and feed the strap through a driver's side door and out the passenger side door. Loop the strap over the luggage at least 2 or 3 times length and widthwise before tying it down. Raise your luggage off the roof with a rack or basket. Roof racks and baskets prevent you from scratching or denting your vehicle if your luggage moves around. The most secure racks and baskets are installed directly on roof rails or crossbars, but you may be able to find some that attach or clip into your door jamb. You can get a variety of sizes, but look for one that's made to fit the make and model of your vehicle. You'll also need ratchet straps in addition to your rack to tie your items down. Choose a cargo bag to keep your luggage dry. Cargo bags have a soft outer shell that zips over your cargo so it doesn't get damaged by the weather. You can clip cargo bags directly to your vehicle in the door jambs, or you can tie them onto rails or rack on your roof. Pick a hard-shell cargo box for the most secure protection. Cargo boxes have a sturdier plastic design that you can lock closed so your items stay dry and safe, even if they're unattended. Since your luggage isn't visible, you're less likely to deal with any thieves. Most cargo boxes have to attach to a roof rack or rails with crossbars, so you may need some additional hardware and installation. Driving with your luggage. Drive slower so you don't risk losing your items. Since you have some added weight on your vehicle, it can be a little harder to turn and stay in control. Try to stay at or slightly under the speed limit wherever you're driving. If you come to a rough road, slow down even more to ensure your luggage doesn't bounce around or fall off. Give yourself more stopping time if you have a full load. The extra weight of your items makes it take longer for you to stop. Plus, coming to sudden stops could make items fall off the front or back of your vehicle if they come loose. Leave an additional car length between you and other vehicles and watch out for any hazards coming up on the road so you can stay safe. Stop and check if your luggage is secure every 15-30 minutes. After you go at your top travel speed for a little while, pull off of the road and check your straps and ties. Make sure everything still feels tight and that nothing shifts around during the trip. If everything looks okay, you're fine to keep going. However, if something did move or felt loose, secure it again tightly. And that's a wrap on how to carry luggage on top of your car. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.